I've built a profitable digital product business using Pinterest and grown my account to over 100,000 followers. But here's the part most people don't realize. I'm not the only one doing this. My students are making daily sales from Pinterest without showing their face, building a personal brand, or becoming influencers. And most people still have no idea how powerful this platform actually is. So today, I'm going to break down exactly how to turn simple Pinterest posts into a scalable digital product business, even if you have 0 followers, no audience, and no design experience. So let's get into it. Pinterest is honestly such a massive opportunity right now because people don't come on Pinterest to scroll, they come here to search. They're already looking for ideas, tutorials, and solutions. So when you post something valuable, like, how to grow on YouTube or how to start a side hustle, you're literally showing up in front of people who are ready to learn or buy. And so they end up purchasing your digital product right there on the spot. And unlike TikTok or Instagram, your content doesn't disappear in just 24 hours. Pinterest pins can bring traffic for months, even years. It's the closest thing to evergreen free marketing you can get. And the best part, you don't need to show your face if you don't want to. You could just make like faceless pins using Canva and still reach thousands of people every single day. That's what makes it perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to make money online quietly. Now, before we do dive in, quick announcement, I am hosting a live weekend workshop where I'll help you build your first digital product from scratch and show you exactly how to market it on Pinterest and other platforms. We'll do everything step by step, and by the end of the weekend, you'll have a product ready to sell and a clear marketing plan. Spots are limited, so you can join with the link in the description. Now back to creating your profitable digital product business on Pinterest. The first step of this process is to create a digital product that solves a painful problem for a specific person. Just think about it, when someone has a painful problem, they will pay for a digital product that provides them with the solution. So how do you actually figure out what problem to solve? First, think about, what people already come to you for advice on. Maybe your friends always ask you how you stay consistent in the gym, how you save money, or how you build confidence after a breakup. Second, what have you personally figured out that others still struggle with? And you don't need to be an expert, just a few steps ahead. Now, if your mind is blank, honestly, I'm just going to give you a few problems you can solve that are trending on Pinterest and doing really well for others. First is helping people decorate and organize their home with simple, affordable DIY plans. Next is helping women build capsule wardrobes, outfits, or aesthetics that fit their lifestyle. Next is helping people improve their health, self-care, confidence, and glow-up routines. Remember, you just need to solve one specific problem and you don't need to be an expert, just a few steps ahead of your audience, and you can learn a lot about it and do a ton of research before you actually start posting. Now, once you've identified the problem you're going to solve, the next step is to create the solution, which of course is going to be the digital product. Now, a big mistake beginners make is they spend months creating this complicated digital product and then they wonder why they get nowhere. Instead, you want to take maybe 1 to 2 days to create a $17 to $27 digital product that's simple yet effective. You don't have to create anything complicated or expensive right now. The goal, honestly, is just to get your first sale, because once you do, it's basically proof your strategy works, and then you can invest more time into building a more, detailed, expensive digital product to scale things up. Now, to create your $17 to $27 digital product, the first step is to figure out exactly what it's going to be. Now, I find the best digital products in this price range are just like short PDF guides helping your audience solve their problem. For example, someone in the fitness niche could create a 21-day home workout plan or a beginner's guide to losing 10 pounds without the gym. The goal here isn't to build something huge, it's just to create a simple solution that helps your audience get a quick win. Here's something I created in the past, which is just like a short PDF slideshow going over the top 10 most profitable digital products to sell. This honestly took me a few hours to make, and I could sell it for probably $17. If you're having trouble figuring out what PDF guide you can sell, you can just insert this prompt into ChatGPT. Give me 10 profitable PDF digital product ideas I can sell for $17 to $27 that solve a specific problem for your audience type, for example, women who want to lose weight. So once you've figured out what you want your PDF guide to be about, the next step is you actually have to create the content of the PDF guide, and you can super easily do this using ChatGPT. All you need to do is give ChatGPT a clear prompt that tells it what your guide is about and who it's for. For example, you can type, write a 15-page PDF guide that helps your target audience. solve the specific problem step by step, make it easy to understand and actionable, then ChatGPT will instantly give you the full outline and content for your guide. All you have to do is edit it and add your own personal insights. Then you can just paste the entire thing into Canva's pre-made templates and you're all done. Just to show you how simple this is, here's my Canva account. And if I just click on templates, then type, ebook or guide in the search bar, I'm given hundreds of different templates to pick from, and I can just design my entire digital product here in just a few hours. You don't need to be like a designer. Canva literally gives you everything you need. And if you actually want me to walk you through this process live, from building your guide to setting it up to sell on Pinterest, come join my weekend workshop. I'll be going through everything in real time so you can follow along and get it all done in just one weekend. The link to join is in the description. But if you want even more support, you can join the group mentorship, where you get a supportive community, daily guidance from me and my team, and real accountability so you actually move forward. My students post their wins weekly and it's super inspiring to see, so I'd love to help you do the same. The link to join the mentorship is in the description. Now moving on, we're almost ready to start posting on Pinterest, but before we do that, we need to set up a simple system to start selling it, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do that just using StanStore. It's an all-in-one storefront where you can sell digital products, and the best part is you can launch your StanStore in under an hour and don't need to be messing with any like tech or tools. So let me show you how you can actually sell your digital product right now on StanStore. So you just sign up for StanStore. You can just use the link in the description here for a free trial. Then you just click add product and choose the type of product, which in this case is a digital product. You can just upload your digital product, which would just be the PDF guide from Canva. You can write a short product description so people know what they're getting, and you just set your price, and then boom, you're ready to sell. It's that simple. And you can just share your StanStore link everywhere, like in your bio and your social media, to start getting sales. So you could have your first digital product ready within an hour to sell. Definitely check out StanStore. I linked it in the description if you want to try it for free. So after a digital product and StanStore are ready, the next step is marketing on Pinterest to get sales. Now, posting content on Pinterest is incredibly simple. People usually overcomplicate it, which is why they don't see results. So I'm going to break it down for you. Pinterest is very visual. If you actually scroll on the platform, you'll notice that people are posting, visually appealing content that makes you want to click. Now, some people think you need to post 10 times a day, but honestly, I feel like that's not necessary. So I recommend you just post maybe twice a day, and your post will link to your digital product each time so that you can get sales. Here is my Pinterest profile, for example, and here's something I posted recently. So if I just click on this post and then I click here, it'll bring me to the website where I am selling a digital product. The best part about Pinterest is that every single post you make can link to a specific product. So basically, all your content is working for you 24/7, which is awesome. Basically, all you would need to do is post twice a day on Pinterest and just link to your digital product in each post in order to get sales. This is what a lot of beginners like to do because they find it to be the simplest strategy. Now, there are two other popular methods that people like to use to get daily sales on Pinterest, which I'll share with you. The first one is by blogging. So they will post on Pinterest and then link to a blog post. Within that blog post, they can solve their audience's problem and then just naturally link to their digital product to get sales. And I honestly think this is a pretty good method and a great way to build trust. The next way people get sales is by offering a freebie. This is basically just a free product you offer in exchange to collect someone's email. And once you get their email, you can start sending them promotional content to eventually convince them to buy your digital product. Now, sure, you could also do both of these methods and it could help add more variety to your Pinterest page. However, I feel like it's a bit more complicated and requires a lot more effort. So I recommend you just start with the simple method, which is just linking to your digital product directly. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that right now. One of the simplest ways to start by posting on Pinterest is just by using ChatGPT. It can literally design your post for you in minutes. No need to manually create your Pinterest post on Canva anymore. If I was a beginner just starting out, I would just use this ChatGPT prompt to make my Pinterest posts and description, title, and pretty much everything for me to optimize for sales. And don't worry, if you want to get this exact ChatGPT prompt to use, I linked it in the description of this video so that you can use it yourself. Now, I actually used this prompt for reference and see how nice the post it made for me turned out. Now, if I want to post this, all I'd have to do is come to Pinterest, click up here, click create pin, and then just upload the image and then add my digital product link along with, everything else here, which by the way, the ChatGPT prompt makes for you. And that's it. pretty simple, and I just post twice a day. Now, there is also another way that you can get content ideas, and it's actually by finding people in your niche on Pinterest that are doing well, but just remaking their content with your own unique twist. So anytime you find a Pinterest pin that is, visually appealing that you like, you can just ask ChatGPT to remake one very similar and ask for the title and description, and then you should get a beautiful result that you can post. For example, here I told ChatGPT to remake this Pinterest post for me, but make it unique, and it made an excellent post for me. Honestly, until this day, I'm scrolling through Pinterest and seeing what content is going viral and just remaking it with the help of ChatGPT. It's really that simple, doesn't have to be complicated. And again, if you want me to help you do this step by step in real time, make sure you join my live weekend workshop, as we'll go into this way more in depth so you have the clarity to start this on your own. Link in the description. Now, let's say you're at the point where you're posting twice a day and you're seeing great results and even getting sales every week. Well, then if you really want to scale things up and potentially make 6 figures a year, then I suggest you create another digital product you can sell for $97. This can be like a mini course, and then you can also create a product that's maybe $300 to $500 that's more detailed, like a 3 to 5 hour course. Your $17 or $27 digital product is just a starting point. Once you've proven your offer works, that's when you can scale by creating higher priced products, upselling your buyers, building an email list, which is super profitable, and expanding to platforms like Threads, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Speaking of Threads, be sure to check out this video to learn how to make daily sales there, as it's super profitable for beginners. Now, you know how to create your first digital product and start marketing it on Pinterest, but this is just the foundation. To actually scale this into a real business, there's a lot more you can layer in, like marketing across multiple platforms, using AI to build simple systems, creating higher priced products, and setting up an email newsletter that brings in sales daily on autopilot. And there's so much more you can do, honestly, and it's pretty impossible to cover all of that in this video. That's why, if you are serious about doing this the right way, you don't have to do it alone or feel overwhelmed figuring it out by yourself. Inside my group mentorship, you get a supportive community, daily guidance from me and my team, and real accountability so you actually move forward. Every week inside the program, my students are sharing their wins and uplifting and inspiring each other. And honestly, this network and support is invaluable. If you know you're meant for more and you want to be surrounded by winners, you belong in the mentorship, and I'd love to have you inside. The link to join is in the description. Now, that's all for this video. I hope it helped you out, and be sure to check out this video on how you can use Threads to sell digital products.